Assalamualaikum students. Today we will perform the general physical examination. For that, first of all, you will introduce yourself, take consent and stand on the right side of the subject. Then you will look at the general appearance of the subject, whether he is healthy or unwell. Then look for the level of consciousness, whether he is alert, confused, drowsy or unconscious. Then you will take the BMI and the vitals, which you will perform in the separate practical. After that, you will examine the hands of the subject. First of all, examine the dorsal side of the hand and look for any deformity and look at the size of the hands, shape and any obvious swelling if present. Then you will check for the tremors. For that, you will ask the subject to extend his hands and open his fingers. तो आप हाथ बिल्कुल सामने करके उंगलियां खोल लें, ऐसे उंगलियां खोलें, उंगलियां खोलें. Now you will see if whether the tremors are present or not. After that, we will check the palmar side of the hands. In the palmar side, we will check for the muscle wasting, pallor, sweating and any palmar erythema, whether present or not. So for muscle wasting, you will check the thenar and hypothenar eminences and compare them. Then you will check the nails for clubbing, cyanosis, pallor or any other deformity present. We will also look for paleonychia on the nails if present or not. Then we will start checking the face. We will see the expressions, symmetry, color, scar marks or hirsutism. And then we will check the eyes for pallor and any yellowish discoloration in the sclera. For checking the pallor, we will see the conjunctiva. ऊपर देखें आप. And then for yellowish discoloration, we will ask the subject to look down. आप नीचे देखें and you will see the sclera. After that, you will see the nose and ear lobules for any bluish discoloration which indicates the cyanosis. Then you will ask the subject to open his mouth. आप मुंह खोलें. And then you will see the tongue and dryness, cyanosis, anything present on the tongue, and oral hygiene. You will have to check the neck after that. Any obvious swelling, any dilated veins, thyroid swelling can also be present, so you have to check the thyroid. And then look for the lymph nodes. First of all, we will check the submental lymph nodes, then submandibular lymph nodes, then preauricular, then postauricular, then with the thumbs you will check the occipital, then anterior cervical, posterior cervical and supraclavicular lymph nodes. In the end, you will check for the pedal edema above the medial malleolus by pressing the skin for 5 seconds and then releasing and checking whether if the pit is formed or not. If the pit is formed, then it is called the pitting edema.